Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to check Xfinity outage status in your area. First, open the Xfinity app and then log in into your account. Now, once you're done logging in on the home screen, look for the service status or outage section. Tap on it to continue. Here you'll see if there are any reported outages affecting your area. Then, the app may also provide estimated repair time as updates. You can also use the troubleshoot option to run a quick diagnosis on your connection. If there is no outage reported but you're still facing issues, try restarting your modem or router directly from the app. That's how you check the Xfinity outage status in your area. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.